We're surrounded by all this stuff that just works. From our phones to our cars, everything fits together perfectly. But have you ever stopped to wonder how? Well, it often comes down to one surprisingly simple, kind of brilliant tool.
I mean, seriously, think about it. The phone in your pocket, the engine in your car, all those little parts are made in totally different places, but they come together and fit perfectly. No gaps, no rattles. And that perfect fit? Yeah, that's no accident.
So, what's the secret? Well, it all comes down to being able to measure things with a kind of accuracy that's, well, it's almost hard to wrap your head around. It's the invisible magic that holds our modern world together.
And you'd think the key to all this is some kind of high-tech laser, right? But a lot of the time, it's actually this beautifully simple mechanical tool, the micrometer. No screen, no batteries, just pure old-school mechanical genius.
So what is this thing, really? Just think of it like a super smart C-clamp. Instead of just holding stuff, it measures it with incredible precision. And it does it all with a very, very accurate little screw.
And that's the part that's so cool, right? We live in this digital world, so how does this hunk of metal pull off that kind of mind-blowing accuracy with absolutely no electricity? It honestly feels like some kind of magic trick.
But it's not actually magic. The secret is an idea so simple you probably use it every single day and don't even think about it. Yep, that's it. That is the entire idea right there. The whole genius of this thing is taking a simple turning motion and converting it into a perfectly straight, predictable forward movement.
And here's the core of it. The heart of the tool is just a perfectly made screw. Every single time you turn that handle, the inside part moves forward by an exact, repeatable, and incredibly tiny amount. So it's the super simple dance, right? You turn the handle, that's the rotation, and as you do that, the little pin inside moves forward in a perfectly straight line. And the real genius is how perfectly these two things are connected.
Okay, let's bring this home with something you've done 1,000 times. Picture twisting the lid on a jar of peanut butter. One full turn, 360 degrees, always moves the lid down the exact same distance, every single time. A micrometer is basically just a super accurate version of that jar lid.
And here we go. This is the big reveal. Take a look inside. What do you see? No wires, no computer chips. Just a really well-made screw. That's the entire engine of this amazing little device.
And that's the key, right? That absolute consistency. One complete turn of that handle will always push that measuring pin forward by the exact same microscopic distance. It's that reliability that makes all this precision possible. Okay, so how tiny are we talking here? Well, the little marks on it let you measure down to 1/1000th of an inch. But honestly, that number, it doesn't really mean anything by itself, does it?
Well, check this out. Your average human hair is about 3/1000ths of an inch thick. This simple tool can easily measure something that's a third of that thickness. That is just incredible. And that's how you get parts that fit together without any gaps. So how do you even read this thing? Honestly, it's kind of like using a ruler, but with a magnifying glass built right in. You've got your main scale on the body for the bigger numbers, and then the part you turn has another scale for all the super tiny measurements. You just add the two together. Simple as that. Okay, so you might be thinking, who on earth needs to be this precise? It seems a little crazy, right? Well, it turns out this level of precision is absolutely critical. Let's go back to that car engine. Mechanics and engineers use these things all the time to measure engine parts, like pistons and gears. Because if one of these parts is off by just the width of a human hair, you could be looking at a total engine meltdown. So yeah, precision is not just nice to have, it's a must. And it's not just cars. It's the same story pretty much everywhere that matters. In aerospace, this kind of accuracy keeps planes flying safely. In the medical world, it means a hip replacement fits perfectly. And in your phone, it's what allows millions of tiny parts to work together without a hitch. So, yeah, the next time you pick up your phone or use anything that just works perfectly, take a second to remember the humble micrometer. It's proof that sometimes the most amazing technology is powered by the simplest of ideas. And that really makes you think, doesn't it? What other simple, everyday gadgets are out there hiding some amazing genius right under our noses?
It kind of makes you want to go take things apart just to see how they work.